Hey everyone. Today fine. So I did not realize that our helpful agents created another MCP for us. This time it's for the account or the account receivables. Yeah, it generated this. Here, what I need. Now that I see, and this is like some instruction to agents who are using this MCP, and there should be an MCP dot, yeah, there you go, dot MCP dot JSON where that is added. Yeah, MCP, there's a MCP loads, and now there's MCP for receivables. Nice. Okay, so what we wanted to do next is we're gonna give a task to our agents, and this might be a big one. And I really wanted this agents to work without me so that I can just watch Netflix and do some other stuff while this is being built. Let's see. You're all that I need. You're all that I see. Thank you, lady. Have an option with paid tenants can register and use the services offered. Okay, I'll be creating a new prompt for this one. Um, or maybe command. Here, command. You're all that I need. All right. So how will this be called? All right. Maybe I'll just tell and create a prompt. Create a prompt for adding. Create a prompt for adding a feature to the the ten the tenants be able to add users and roles in their account and be able to give rule rule-based access control, fine grain. What else? Yeah, then we can invite, create or disable or remove user management, tenant administrator can invite, create, disable or remove users within their organization. Let's have this in number one. Be able be be able to give role based on users are assigned one or more roles. Roles determine what features and actions users can perform. Example roles. Tenant admin, manager, supervisor, employee, read only, users, permissions or authorization, permissions are the individual capabilities assigned to roles. Example, view dashboard, manage users, what else? Create loads, view reports, execute a view and execute um, um, formulas, etc. Fine-grained permissions instead of just roles. Users can be given in individual permissions. Apply what is recommended for this transportation management system. Okay, so we wanted to create a prompt and then we will review the prompt that it generated. Oh, you've used 95% of your weekly limit. Reset in 1 day. So I think I can rest today and we'll just continue tomorrow. But let me read the prompt that it generated for us. write the prompt into prompt files. Kage Bunchen Ninjutsu. So it's not gonna write it as a prompt. Does Claude, we don't want to spend token for that. Does Claude have slash prompts folder like GitHub Copilot? Not exactly. Claude Code and GitHub Copilot solve this in different ways. GitHub Copilot supports repository level prompts via .github prompts folder along with custom instructions and prompt files. This let teams version control reusable prompts that can be shared across the repository. This can be invoked. Okay, so Claude Code does not have the dedicated prompts folder equivalent. Instead, it supports several mechanisms. In this repository, in your repository serves as persistent instructions for Claude Code. Okay, so you can create custom slash commands by placing markdown files, then invoke them like slash reviews. Each command can contain reusable instructions and even accept arguments. Okay. All right, so I can just okay. So ship this TMS goal as a product following the standard feature workflow, blah 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 blah, and tenant scope user management problem. Then currently have no way to add teammates or control what those teammates can do inside their account. Auth0 is wired as the identity provider, but authorization is inert. No route to the dub. Each user can hold one or more roles. Permission. Nice. Beyond recommended technical approach. Data model. Permission. Backend secure. I can upper existing convention. EF core for rights. Through blah testing workflow. All right, so I think yeah, I'll have to review this again tomorrow until we will have our weekly limit get rate resetted, completed. The reset will be the what to say that, how to say that. Anyways, so we're going to execute this tomorrow, and because this is going to be a lot of work, and we're almost in our limit, so we'll just do it tomorrow. All right, till then, thanks everyone. Hope to see you around. Thanks. Bye bye.